Damn, Michael, that's a lot of water.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy SEVNSIX back with another tutorial. Today we're gonna be making a boom bap type beat. So I'm gonna go in depth for y'all and show you how that gets done. Before I get started with the video, make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel. Y'all go check me out on social media. Go follow my Instagram. Peep me on Snapchat, whatever, Twitter. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So first things first, when you're making these boom bap type beats, you're gonna need a sample because that's just how these beats are made. There's always a sample involved. I'm pretty sure you can do it with just normal production, you producing everything, but you're gonna primarily need a sample when making these beats because it's a very old school, authentic feel. So yeah, so I'm gonna pull up a sample. I already have something chopped up. Okay, so we have our sample here. Play it for you guys before I do anything. Simple that. So first things first, I'm gonna time stretch the sample to my 4-bar loop, and then I'm gonna bring my BPM down to 85, and that's just how we're gonna write out for the whole beat. So since I got my sample, I pretty much have everything I need to make this beat. Boom bap beats are probably the easiest beats to make, in all honesty. So yeah, let me pull up the drums now. I'm not gonna really do any special effects to the guitar because it's just kind of keep it like that, just easy, simple, something for the artist to flow on. So now I'm going to pull up the drums. Okay, now we have all of our drums. Simple, some kicks, hats, and some snares that I have. They have a vinyl effect mixed into them, so it's going to give them that very authentic, raw type feel. So I'm just going to come up with a little quick drum pattern. These drum patterns are super easy to come up with. Yeah, I'm just breaking down for y'all. So first, I'm just gonna add a kick in there, and then a quick snare, and then I'm gonna add a little roll in here, the kick to give it a bounce, and then I'm gonna add some swing on there as well. It's gonna give it a riding effect, and then add some hats in there to give it a bounce. It's gonna sound something like this. That's it. And as far as the hats, I'm gonna lower the velocity on every other note so it kind of bounces back and forth. It just gives the beat a ride. And I always lift up my velocities on my kicks and my snares just so it hits harder. You can always adjust that in the mix. That's just me. And then we'll lay down the drum pattern. And we'll just hear it all together now. So as far as getting these samples and everything for these beats, you can really look into a lot of old school music like 70s, 60s music. You can really sample whatever you want. Anything's possible nowadays. And as far as these drums, they're basic drum kits. You can find all kinds of like addictive drums. I think has basic untouched sounds like these that you can just manipulate and add like vinyl, like what I did, just to give it that more raw, authentic feel. But these are just basic drum sounds. Some sounds you'd hear in like a normal actual real life drum kit. But yeah, as far as that, that's everything that really goes into making a boom bap beat. All you need really is a sample. You can even get into further depth and chop up the sample, you know, make it more lively and make it more yours. But it's just like a basic tutorial on how to get that sound. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're dropping all kinds of content on you guys this year. A lot of projects on the way. You guys are getting tutorials from all the other team members as well. So we're really just gonna push our brand this year. Check out our clothing brand. Our artist Reister, he's making moves right now. We're pushing him, producing all his projects and stuff. So we're looking at a good year. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for me. Like I said, go check me out on social media. Yeah, that's about it. Everything for me. SEVNSIX. I'll catch you guys later.